Please be in mute. Please be in mute. My humble, please. Please. Please be in mute. Whoever it is. Okay. After a long time, I'm doing my weekly forecast webinar. And if you have any observation on the market, raise your hand and you can talk. Others, please be in mute. If you have any observation on Nifty, Bank Nifty, so you can express that. Just raise your hand and you can talk. Anything on the market. Outlook.
Sir, Narasimhan here. I can't raise my hand. Can I?
Yeah, please switch off your video. I don't want your video. I don't want your video. Yeah, Vaibhav. Yeah, Vaibhav.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Sir, like whatever the GDP rate just come, like the GDP growth rate is really too low from the expectation. So do you think now that market is not ready for that and it is now going to react on that, or it is already discounted till now?
First of all, I don't know when this data and all came. Okay, I
Yes,
never.
sir. Worst data, sir.
I don't know all this, whether GDP is good, bad, ugly, and all. I seriously don't know.
Okay.
One thing you all know very clearly that was that is why I started putting videos and then giving it to you. After a long time, I'm doing this webinar. And it is for your benefit. I can simply make the video and post it in the YouTube. Please. Okay. First of all, I don't know the GDP numbers and all, and I don't care about all that. What we need to understand is, as I already given you two numbers for Nifty future and Bank Nifty future, the one number magic, till the market is below that number, it is bearish. Whether the GDP number is good, bad, ugly, we don't care. The two numbers, if the market closed below that number, it is bearish for the entire month. If it closed above the number, it is bullish for the entire month. Number one.
Okay.
Number two, if you go and see, especially Bank Nifty, again, highest combo for this month. And I have sent you one image. I don't know how many people remember this image. This I posted in Telegram. This particular posting.
Yes, sir.
This was posted last week, Friday end. That the crucial area of concern is Monday. That is for last Monday, not coming Monday. This is for last Monday. So now why? It is because of Ichimoku. Okay. So right. Now see what happens especially in Fin Nifty. Okay. So let's go to Fin Nifty. You are able to see the chart? You are able to see the chart?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Now watch this. This was the closing year. And exactly we said this is the cause of concern. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Where it opened? So now you all know, if this is going to be a gap up, will it sustain on the top?
No, sir.
It won't sustain on the top. Number one. Number two, exactly after that, it has to come back and touch the cloud. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It touched the cloud?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It touched the cloud?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now it is at the crucial stage when it comes to Fin Nifty. And Bank Nifty is much worse when it compared to Fin Nifty. So now if you go to Bank Nifty Ichimoku, again gap up, close to below, which is not a good sign. Cloud started expanding.
Yes, sir.
So very critical stage for Bank Nifty. And apart from that, December 1st, you all know, which is a very important day. And the effect will be on 2nd of December. And again, 4th, 5th, and 6th are again crucial dates for index. So the coming week, the first week is very crucial, especially the 6th. And
Okay.
5th is the book date. 5th is the book date and 4th is the seasonality date. So the coming week is full of events. And then the next event is, maybe if I go here, you will understand that. So now this is the dates for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the month of December. Okay. So now the first impact date is December 1st. So the impact will be on December 2nd, which is tomorrow, number 1. Number 2, the low date for December when it comes to book, it is happening on 5th of December, and 6th is the crucial, important astro event. Okay. Then the next very crucial date, which is going to be this one, which will decide the fate for the next 3 months. But the problem is 21st December and 22nd December, both are holidays. So the important effect which is going to happen, especially for Bank Nifty, it's going to happen on 23rd of December. Anyway, I'm not there here. I'm going to do a live trading in Mumbai on 23rd of December. 22nd and 23rd, I'm there. 22nd, we are going to take one offline session on option trading and purity of breakout, and a lot of topics will be covered. And 23rd will be the live trading. And fortunately, it combined with the seasonality, it combined with the major event of especially the Bank Nifty. So now, when it comes to the dates, this 2 dates is going to be the reference point for the month of December. So what it says, in this 2, this is the high, and in this 2, this is the low. So till the market is not going to close above this number, or till the market is not going to close below this number, it is going to be a dilly-dally situation. If market closes below this number, it is bearish for the entire month. If the market closes above this number, bullish for the entire month. You got it? Now, again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty numbers are here. More or less, this is the high number and this is the low number. Below this is bearish for the entire month. Above this is bullish for the entire month. So now, if you take Nifty and Bank Nifty, both are standing at exactly within this 2. And apart from that, I never expected Bank Nifty to get converged on the first day of the month. This is very rare scenario, which never happened, in the past, even 10 years before also.
Sir, Bank Nifty figures is not visible, sir. Your video is on the figures. Can I see that?
It is visible
Figure,
for
sir.
everyone, sir. Check at your end.
Visible, it's the same slide.
Visible, it is visible, very much visible.
It is visible. Okay.
Zoom out. You can roll the slide and see it.
Yeah. Okay. So now, what is happening when it comes to Bank Nifty? I'll go to the chart little later. So now, on the first day of the month, the numbers got converged. Not Nifty future. It is Bank Nifty future. So again, 750 to 1000 points in Bank Nifty in a single day in the next 2 days' time. Since the December 1st effect, which is an holiday now, which is going to be the effect on December 2nd, most probably the 750 to 1000 points will happen tomorrow. That is on Monday. So now let's come to the numbers when it comes to Bank Nifty future. All are bearish. So what we clearly told on that day, on Thursday night, that if it closes above this number, it is bullish for the entire month. till it is below this number, it is bearish for the entire month. Number one. Number two, now this is going to be the number for the Bank Nifty future, which is convergence. And it is the five numbers are getting converged on the first day of the month itself. It is not happened in Nifty future. It happened only in Bank Nifty future. So now market closed below these numbers. So now these numbers will act as a major resistance for Bank Nifty. For example, tomorrow, whether the GDP number is bad or ugly, we don't care. If the market opens gap up and it sustains for 15 minutes above this number, then when it comes back and touches this number, take the entry with a stop loss of 144 points from the lowest number. For example, market tomorrow, let's say gap down. It is already below this number and gap down and it is retracing back to this number. Then go short by keeping a stop loss of 144 points above this number, highest number. So now, unless and until market is not going to close above this number, it is bearish for the entire expiry. I am talking about monthly. Now, till it is not going to close above this number, it is going to be bearish for the entire week. Till it is not going to close above this number, it is going to be bearish for the entire day. Till it is going to be below this number, it is going to be bearish positionally. Unless and until, if you don't see any two numbers coming into blue, then there is no question of taking a positional long. You can do whatever you want to do intraday, you do. But positional long will be advised only when these two numbers will become blue. But now when it comes to the Nifty future, again, it is not closed above this number, so bearish. Again, it is not closed above this number, bearish. This is the only number which is bullish. It means market closed above this number. So now, if it holds this number, then obviously the first target is this, second target is this, and the third target is this. But if it be closed below this number, then again everything again becoming red, then Nifty also will be in problem. Why you should not take a positional long here? Because two numbers has to be bullish. But here in this case only one number. So you can do only intraday, not positional. We don't need a chart. The numbers will speak on its own. We don't need chart to go and see what is happening there. The numbers will speak on its own. So, till it is not going to give two numbers on the bullish side or on the blue color, it is bearish for the entire month or a week. So now again, last week we said this is the very crucial number, 24,346. It is not able to sustain above that number. Please be in mute. Please be in mute. It is not able to sustain that number and close to below that number, little lower. That's all. And again, I have given the buy number and I have given the targets on the upper side. Again, till it is below 24,346, the bears will be in control. The bears will be in control. Now, when it comes to Bank Nifty, it is very crucial because the two numbers are giving lots and lots of trouble for Bank Nifty, which is 2206 and 52,192. This area is giving lots and lots of trouble. We are repeating this number for the last 1.5 months. The same number we are repeating. Even yesterday, if you go and see, it is not able to sustain above 192 and it closed in between 52,006. So this particular number is going to be the controller of Bank Nifty. And that is what we are writing. Even in the last week also, we wrote the same thing. Till it is below 52,192, the bears will be in control. The bears will be in control. So now, again, the pivot I have already given here, 52,448 and 52,346. Okay, now let's go to the chart. First of all, we will talk about the book date. Anyway, we are coming out with the book, and I think most probably we'll release the book on 27th of December, which we already planned. And this time we are adding lots and lots of contents. And on Mumbai event, we will be giving Nifty and Bank Nifty high and low dates for the members, those who are joining that live trading. So that is an extra which we are giving for them. And when it comes to book date, so now this is the book date for Nifty. Now watch this. Last time we said close below this number, market will give 5%. So the 5% is here, it is done. Then closing below this again, it has to give 5%. But what is the rule? In between, if you get any other date, then this date will be the crucial point, and this date high and low will be the resistance. All these dates are already with you. So what happened here? Exactly on 21st November, market made the low, but it is getting rejected exactly on this high and low here. So if you want to see the dates are already here. This is for Nifty. This is the book date for Nifty. Okay, so now again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, book date, so now again, this is the book date. When it closed below this book date, it has to give 5% low. It sustained. Again, it gave one more date, which is 21st of November. If you go to the book date, if you go to Bank Nifty, it is 20th of November. 20th is holiday. So you need to take 21st. So if you go to 21st is the low. Now till it holds this low, it has to give 5% on the top. So now if you take the 5% on the top, it has to give somewhere around 50,000, 53, whatever. 53,148, it has to go and touch if you take 5%. But as of now, it has done only 4.25%. Even 0.75% matters a lot here. So what it says, suppose if the market closed below this number, the fall, which is called inversion, if it is not giving that 5% on the upside, if it closes below this low, the fall will be massive and the 5% will be achieved in no time. When it comes to the book, for index, it is 5% for the index, and for the stocks, it is 7.5%. For the stock, it is 7.5%. Based on the book date, it is good. We have another 0.75% on the top. But close below this date, which is the recent date, it will be a problem. Now, the next important book dates are happening on 5th of December and 23rd of December. Why? If you go to the book date, it is 22nd of December. But 22nd is holiday. So the impact will be on 23rd. So we'll be doing live trading there. Let's see what best we can do there in the live trading. Okay. So now this is coming to the book date. Now let's go and a little bit on the technical side. So now close to below this 200-day SMA Nifty. So now again closed above 100. So now till it is not going to close above this, it is bearish only. I don't give a lot of consideration for moving average, but this is how people use. So you can use it. And then when it comes to pitchfork, yeah, it is clearly rejecting at the blue, which is the main pitchfork, fourth line. So unless and until it is not going to close above this line, it is going to be bearish. Number one. Number two, when it comes to Ichimoku, there is no doubt 101% Nifty is bearish. There is no doubt. At least Bank Nifty tried to close above the cloud. At least once. But when it comes to Nifty, it is started descending in a bigger pace, and the cloud is also expanding. So Nifty will be in major trouble when compared to Bank Nifty. Now let's go to Fibonacci. So now last time we talked about 0.05%. It went below. Normally it has to go and touch your golden ratio. It has not touched the golden ratio, but again it is getting rejected here at 0.382. So till it is not going to close above this or below this, it is going to be a dilly-dally when it comes to Fibonacci. Again, the old is 0.5, which is 23,779. That is the key number which you need to watch out for when it comes to Nifty based on Fibonacci. Now we already talked about the book date of Bank Nifty. Now we are going to talk about SMA. So last time when it came down, exactly it took the 200-day SMA support here. And now it closed above all the important moving average, which is 20, 50, 100 and 200. Based on your EMA, it is bullish. But based on Ichimoku, it is bearish. So I give a lot of importance to Ichimoku rather than moving average. But still, in case if you are still wanting it, using it. So now this is going to be a scenario. So now till it is going to hold this, there is no problem. Break below, again it will try to come and touch this level. Okay. So now let's go to pitchfork. Again the green support, again the green resistance. So now it is doing dilly-dally only. It is doing dilly-dally only when it comes to pitchfork. So now this we already talked about. This is a very crucial area. So it's going to give a massive move, maybe on the upside when it closes above or it closes below. But now this should not close below. But if you go to the Fin Nifty, it has not closed below. This is good sign. But when it comes to Bank Nifty, it is not a good sign at all. It has to hold this plain line, but it is not able to hold that plain line. So very crucial for Bank Nifty. Okay. So now when it comes to this one, again 0.25, again 0.26, whatever it is still struggling there. And when it comes to fortune signals in 1 hour, as of now, there is no G buy. And the G buy came here on this candle, I think. Why I am not getting it?
Yes, sir. That candle is G buy and it has got take G buy, sir.
Why I am not getting the G buy? It should come. Why it is?
For us, it's
You
showing.
are in RTH,
Go
sir.
into
You go to
settings.
ETH.
No, whatever it is, it should come.
Settings.
Yeah. So now this is the G buy candle. None of the candle closed above. So till it is not closed above, it is bearish. Possibility that it will come and take the support and it may move up on the upper side. But when it comes to Nifty, again the G buy came. None of the candle closed above the G buy candle. Whenever it goes and touches the G buy candle, it is getting rejected. But only one good thing is, it is again coming back and taking the support in the 1 hour and it is moving above. So now once it closes above this number, it is bullish. Otherwise, once it breaks here, the problem will escalate. Till that time, this is going to be a dilly-dally kind of a situation when it comes to FS. So 15 minutes, all that you can go and do the homework. And when it comes to the weekly stocks, now let's go and talk about the weekly stocks. So this is the weekly stocks. And again, Bank Nifty is having a major combination, which is PSU Bank having 10, NSE is having 5, Fin Nifty is having 2, Private Bank is having 5. Another 2 indices which you need to concentrate, one is mid cap and second is metal. Now when it comes to the stock, take it from me, This counter is must trade for the month of December. Last month it was Naukri, and this month it is Oberoi Realty. Last month it was Naukri. Even Naukri had a time cycle, and that was the low, and from there again it moved up. So last time it is Naukri, and this time it is going to be Oberoi Realty for the entire month of December. Then again, when it comes to banking, the stock which you need to concentrate for this week, whether on the upside or on the low side, it is going to be Bank of Baroda. It is going to be Bank of Baroda. And again, Adani 10 cycles, Adani Port is having 7 cycles. When it comes to private bank, you can first concentrate on Federal Bank. Then concentrate on Bandhan Bank or other banks which is already in case if it is there. So when it comes to time cycle, these are the stocks which you need to focus. And when it comes to bank, concentrate on Bank of Baroda. And when it comes to metals, you can concentrate on SAIL. And private banks, you can concentrate on Federal and Bank of India. And other stock, 2-3 stocks which you need to concentrate is Oberoi, Adani, Port, and Enterprises. Okay, right. So now this was the announcement which we want to do it, and we are doing this event on December 23rd. Sorry, 22nd and 23rd we are doing in Mumbai. And these are the topics which we are going to cover. Second day, it's going to be a live trading. And first day, it is going to be a teaching based on the major. One is option trading, how to trade option trading using Gann, and how to use the purity of breakout to predict the targets, and how to use the monthly range calculation for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the F&O stocks before the month begins. For example, if you use this strategy, today you will know what will be the range of index or any stocks for the entire month of December. So you will have that chart with you, what will be the minimum range and what will be the maximum range. So these are the topics which we are going to cover on the first day, and second day it's going to be a live trading. And the book date I will give for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 2025. In case if you are interested, you can contact Bhagesh and he will do the needful.
Sir, form already sent in a chat box, and registration link also sent in a chat box. Those who want to register, they can register directly.
Okay.
They will get all the details once they registered.
Okay. And again, one more thing I'm telling you, members, those who are my members, I'm telling, I have already updated the stock rates here. Believe me, November and December, the stocks which are coming in this, I have already updated till today. Okay, since I have not updated in the last 10 days time because of my personal issue, now I updated everything. So the stocks which I mentioned here with the high and low, simply go and mark in your chart, and this high and low is going to be useful for the next 1 year. And all the major stocks are covered here. So once I've sent the PPT, kindly open it and mark it in your chart and use it. You got it? Right. So two stocks for the month of December. One I have already told you, Oberoi Realty, and second is Indus Tower. I have not finished my full observation because yesterday only I came. So I am just working on it, and give me some couple of days. I will give the O&M number as well as the important combination stock. But as of now, you can concentrate on Oberoi Realty, and second one is Indus Tower. Okay. So now just a minute. I will close this video.